So this one's a typical linear or straight line graph question. We've got the rule that we need to put on the graph. So we've got y is 4x minus 3. So what that means is we take our x coordinate, multiply it by 4, because 4x means 4 lots of x, and then subtract 3 from it. Now when I do these, I like to start with the positive numbers just because they're a little bit easier. You haven't got to worry about remembering your rules for negatives. So I'm going to start with x is 1. So I'm going to start with this value here, and I'm going to work out the missing y value. So y is going to be 4 lots of 1 minus 3. So 4 times 1 is 4. Minus 3 gives us 1. Let's have a look at when x is 2. So when x is 2, I'm going to be doing 4 lots of 2 minus 3. So 4 times 2 is 8, minus 3 is 5. And hopefully you should be able to see we've actually already got a pattern here. You can see to get from one y value to the next, we're adding 4 on each time. So what we could do is we could find out what this one is without actually needing to do any substitution. So minus 11 plus 4 is going to give us minus 7. We can actually just check that using the substitution though. So y is 4 lots of negative 1 minus 3. So 4 lots of negative 1 is going to give us negative 4 minus 3. So that means we start at negative 4 on a number line. So we're starting at negative 4, and then we're counting down 3 steps, which is going to get us down to negative 7. Once we've got our values, we're then putting that onto a graph. So part B is talking about drawing a graph. So all we're doing is taking our x value and our y value and plotting them as a coordinate pair. So when x is minus 2, so remember this is our x-axis across here, x is minus 2, y is minus 11, pop a little cross on. When x is minus 1, y is minus 7, cross on. X is 0, y is minus 3, so this is x is 0 here, remember. Y is minus 3, so that's there. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 5. And x is 3, y is 9. And you'll know you're right because those points should follow a nice straight line. If you've plotted your points and it's not a straight line, you've probably got one of the answers wrong somewhere, so go back and check it. If you do that, you get 1 mark. To get the second mark, you need to make sure that you draw a nice line through them as straight as you possibly can. I'm not sure how straight I'll get this on here, but obviously you will have a ruler to do it in your exam. It's a lot easier on a bit of paper. But you get the general picture. You should have a straight line going through all of those points.